This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sheri Ford. A rare find in this location for a condo at this price. Nestled in a park-like setting with oak trees and close to the pool and clubhouse. Kitchen remodel was done in 2013. This split-plan layout has 2 beds, 2 baths, with an inside laundry closet and a nice-sized Florida room/lanai that is part of the heated square footage. The kitchen has a garden window and a pass-through to the dining area. A spacious master bedroom and a walk-in closet with separate shower area and access to the lanai. The enclosed lanai/Florida room has a tree-lined view and gives that feel of privacy. A carport and shed are included. Condo fee includes outside maintenance, roof, pest control, water, basic cable, internet, and pool/clubhouse. The 55-plus community has membership availability to the River Isles 9-hole course for a fee. Grocery store, restaurants, pharmacy, and other area businesses are located within blocks. 2 miles from I-75, 20 minutes to Anna Maria Island. For more information, review the details below.